everybody, welcome back to the channel. 007 here. We are in Glacier National Park. Beautiful. Just crazy mountains. Different from Grand Tetons. Beautiful as well. We did the Going to the Sun road this morning to get out here to St. Mary Falls, Virginia Falls area. So today we're hiking St. Mary Falls to Virginia Falls. So hope you enjoy the video. So way out there I think is Virginia Falls. You can see it on the mountain up there. I'll stop so you can see it a little better. Not sure the name of the lake right here, but in the trees you can see, I know there was a wildfire here a few years ago, and I believe this is the area it was in, because they're black on the bottom of the trees. So it's getting green, so it's getting better. That's quite the view, isn't it? That mountain, got that mountain there, and then behind us we're going down into this valley, Moneypenny. Now there's some other folks here as well. You know, if you come here, so this is August 4th. It's about 52 degrees this morning. We're at, what is it? 7 o'clock, 7:18. So early in the morning. So the way the national park works here, you have to get a reservation to get into the park, so that way they regulate traffic coming in. But you don't have to have that reservation if you get in before 7. So from 7 a.m. to 3 p.m. you have to have a reservation. So if you come in, like last night, we came in after 3 and we're able to get in to go to the visitor center, just get some information. And this morning, so a lot of people get in before 7, and our thought, we have a couple of areas we want to hike. So Logan Pass is the big place with avalanche or hidden lake. So we were coming here, we knew if we were at St. Mary's trailhead before 7, we should be able to get a parking space. And we drove through Logan, which is about 8 miles before St. Mary, and it was packed just everywhere. So you'd have to get up super early to get up there to get a parking space. So just something to keep in mind. Pretty neat trail cut out here, and you can see the cliffs over there above the lake. And way out in the distance is one of the falls. First wildlife of the day. Chipmunk.
He's a shy one.
Yeah. Doesn't like it. There he goes. And we're gone. It's our first glimpse of St. Mary Falls. Right there. We'll be up there in a sec. Let's click that up. This is St. Mary Falls. First river crossing. I always video the water crossings. I don't know why. Moneypenny made it with ease. Just not a big fan of crossing rivers or streams, creeks. Not quite there, but almost. And a couple bridges to look at the falls right up here. So look at all of them. That is something. Carved out the rock. What a view. So that was Virginia Falls from the top viewpoint. Pretty impressive. Now we're going to go over here to the lower viewpoint, see what that looks like. It's an impressive fall, and it's a short hike. It's I'm right at 2 miles, and we're kind of in and out a little bit. So, and we started from the parking lot by the pit toilet, so, or a vault toilet. All trails has you start from a little further up the road from a shuttle. So just something to keep in mind. But beautiful day so far. There is a pit toilet up here at Virginia Falls. Oh. Just in case. One of the overlooks coming back. The road is way over there, you can see it. Another, just, they're all over coming up and down this trail. Goes down. Starting to get busy out here. It's 9 o'clock. We're almost to St. Mary Falls on the way back. But you can see, well, first off, we stopped here to take clips on that. You see people coming up. A couple groups just passed. And if you look in the distance, to the right, that's where I'm parked. To the left, another parking lot. That's where all trails start from. I started over there. Something to consider when you're hiking. It adds a couple tenths to the hike. That's about it. Okay, let me move a little bit. See if I can see him. Beautiful views, I will tell you. The St. Mary Falls, Virginia Falls. It's an out and back. It's going to be, yeah, I don't know, 3.5 miles total from where I park. If you park at the trailhead that All Trails has, it's 3.1. Definitely a trail worth hiking. It is starting to get busy. It's 9:10 in the morning, August 4th. So you got to keep that in consideration. We started, yeah, I don't know, 7-ish, 7:13, something like that in my head. But yeah, so I'm gonna wrap this video up, and as always, I'll throw a couple still pictures to the end there. And just want to thank everybody for following along.
sun and the biggest sky, greatest hills that I have ever seen. These old stone walls and the ones they're holding, the only place I wanna be. Catch that light as it comes shining in your door. Catch those words as they go by. Catch that wave as it crashes over you. And keep the fire alive. In the dark, when the summer sun has set.